This lesson shows differentiation by learning environment. It is a third grade gifted unit, including the higher order critical thinking standards of examining an issue from more than one point of view and separating their own point of view from that of others. It also pulls in the reading literature standards by describing characters in a story and how their actions contribute to the sequence of events. So this unit shows differentiation by learning environment with both flexible seating and through a unit on empathy in order to create a classroom community that focuses on celebrating differences. So following a novel study on the book 100 Dresses, which is about a girl that is being bullied and how the main character stands by and doesn't do anything to help the situation. So students will explore the concept of being an upstander, which which means that you're not the bully, but you see something happening that you could stand up for someone and do something about it. So the idea is that it's a much more complex concept than just not being a bully, but instead for kind of standing up for what is right. So you'll see choice board activities that kind of continue to promote the idea of empathy and build that classroom culture. So students will create a public service announcement about bullying and being an upstander. They will create a unique display that describes everything about themselves that is making them different from someone else. So as a way to celebrate their differences. And then they will choose from a variety of these different activities, which are based in the book and the idea of being an upstander. They will complete all of these activities using flexible seating. So here are some photos of my classroom and students having a variety of options, sitting on the floor, different types of chairs. So they have a variety of spaces in order to complete their assignments.